With all that, we had a warm start to the week, but temperatures are starting to creep down.
Yeah, meteorologist Dani Ruberti has the cooling trend in our next weather forecast, Dani.
Yes, that's exactly right. We do get to do it again tomorrow, and then Tuesday rolls around, and boom, this is when things are going to start to change here at home. So high temperatures today. What a beautiful Easter. Riverside and Northridge in the lower 80s, upper 70s in Fullerton. I mean, this is classic Southern California weather, so it's nice if you had family from out of town here today and this weekend. Downtown Los Angeles was in the lower 70s. Huntington Beach in the upper 60s. We saw a lot of people taking over at the beaches today, and it's still warm going into our Monday. So Monday is going to feel just like today, and that makes starting a new week a little bit easier, right? And then Tuesday rolls around, and this is when cooling starts. It's going to be slow, but each day is going to feel just a little bit cooler. We'll see more clouds taking over and extending into our valleys by midweek. No rain in sight, though, but there is the chance for a little bit of drizzle out there. And you can see from our rain chances map, you've got little pops each and every morning, and that's because we're going to see a deepening marine layer, and that could help us squeeze out some drizzle or sprinkles over the next couple of days. And it's all because we have this deepening low pressure system that's going to slide down, slamming into the Pacific Northwest. And I know that's way far to the north of us, but this guy is going to be impacting us. It's going to help usher in more of those marine layer clouds and also bring us those cooler temperatures starting on Tuesday. That's not the case tomorrow, though. You get outside first thing in the morning, and it's beautiful. We are going to see low clouds right there at the beaches developing first thing tomorrow morning. They're not going to extend far, and we're also going to see them clear pretty quickly tomorrow. Temperatures dropping into the 40s and the 50s. In Orange County, we start at 57 degrees. We do start cloudy at 8 o'clock in the morning. Clouds roll on out of here pretty quickly. By 11 o'clock, we've got sunshine, mid-60s, lower 70s into the afternoon. 80s in the Inland Empire, just like today. Mid-70s again in Burbank and Pasadena, 76 in Simi Valley, 73 degrees over in downtown Los Angeles. Cooling starts Tuesday, and that's going to take us into the next 6 to 10 days. So the last week of April, expected to be slightly below average. Let me show you what I'm talking about in our 7-day forecast. LA and Orange counties, low 70s Monday, close to that Tuesday, but each day we drop a degree or two, and by the end of the week, we're in the upper 60s. Now we're at temperatures below average. In the valleys, upper 70s Monday, down to 76 Tuesday, dropping to 74 Wednesday. So it's almost like a ladder, very slowly going down the ladder through the rest of the week. And by the time we get to Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, the marine layer is going to start to creep its way back into the valleys. Inland Empire, lower 80s Monday, 79 Tuesday, mid 70s Wednesday, Thursday, Friday into next weekend. But you can see no storms bringing us rain, or I should say measurable rain. We're expecting to see some drizzle. Winds will be picking up in the high deserts. Beaches will struggle to clear. It's going to be one of those weeks where the clouds are stubborn. Coming up, I want to talk timing of the clouds, but I also want to talk about a special event that's happening this week for Earth Day. We're breaking that down for you in your next weather.
Now you can get your KCAL news, weather, and live stream all in one place on the CBS News app. Download it free today.